Today, we have a 2026 Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen fifth wheel. This 369BL is exactly 43 feet long, has a dry weight of 11,669 pounds, and can sleep up to 11 guests comfortably. The exterior of this unit features a large pass-through storage compartment that features the water management panel and the jack's control board, front compartment that features the battery housing and spare tire, outdoor kitchen compartment that features a mini fridge and extendable griddle, a 17-foot electric awning over the entryway, and the 11.5-foot electric awning on the slide-out. The rear of the unit is prepped for a ladder and backup camera. Inside the unit, we see the rear living and kitchen area. Here we see the dining area. Next to the dining area is the reclining theater seating. The very rear is the hide-a-bed sofa with overhead cabinets. Across from the theater seating is the 31-inch glass fireplace, a JBL Bluetooth sound system, and 50-inch LED smart TV with hidden storage behind. Moving to the kitchen area, we see the large island with a large single-bowl sink. Next, we see the residential 4-burner range, over-the-range microwave, 4-door residential refrigerator, pantry closet, and cabinets for storage. Next, we have the bunk room. It features a flip-down bunk, Versa convertible bed, LED TV, and a dresser. Above the bunk room is the lofted sleeping area. Next, we have the bathroom. It features a porcelain foot-flush toilet, walk-in shower with glass door, sink and backlit vanity mirror. Finally, we have the bedroom. It features a king-size bed with storage underneath, dresser at the foot of the bed, and large wardrobe closet that is prepped for a washer-dryer. For more info or pricing on this unit, please visit our website or give us a call.